Welcome to our video on how to choose the right cleaning tools for your home. Keeping your home clean is not just about maintaining cleanliness, it's also important for the overall health and well-being of your loved ones. In this video, we'll show you how to select the right cleaning tools for your home so that cleaning becomes a breeze. Before selecting cleaning tools, it's important to assess your specific cleaning needs. Do you have a lot of carpets and rugs? Do you have pets? Are there any hard-to-reach places that you need to clean? By evaluating your cleaning needs, you'll be able to make an informed decision when selecting the right cleaning tools for your home. The first cleaning tool we'll discuss is the vacuum cleaner. Whether you have carpets or hardwood floors, a vacuum cleaner is a must-have cleaning tool. When selecting a vacuum cleaner, consider the size of your home, the type of flooring you have, the level of filtration you need, and any additional features like attachments or bags. If you have hardwood floors or tile, a mop is essential for keeping your floors clean and shiny. When selecting a mop, consider the size of your floors, the type of cleaning solution you prefer, and the material of the mop head. Microfiber mop heads are great for trapping dirt and dust, while cotton mop heads are great for absorbing spills. For dusting, there are a variety of tools available to choose from. You can choose from microfiber cloths, feather dusters, or even a vacuum cleaner with a dusting attachment. When selecting a dusting tool, consider the type of surface you are dusting, any allergies your family members may have, and the level of dust you need to remove. When selecting cleaning solutions, it's important to choose the right one for the job. There are a variety of cleaning solutions available for different surfaces and types of cleaning. Always read the label for instructions and make sure the solution is safe for your family and pets. In this video, we've shown you how to choose the right cleaning tools for your home. Remember to assess your cleaning needs. Consider the type of flooring and surfaces in your home, and always select the right cleaning solution for the job. By following these tips, cleaning your home will become a breeze,